Hello there, welcome to my channel Come with Debbie, and if you're new here, my name is Debbie, and if you're a regular, welcome back my darlings. In this video I'm going to show you all the places I visited on my P&O fly cruise to the Canary Islands and Madeira. Now, I started my holiday from Gatwick Airport and I flew to Tenerife with Jet2 Airways. So when we landed at Tenerife, we were shown out to the coach which took us to the port where Azura was docked, waiting for us ready to board. We had an overnight in Tenerife on board the ship, so here's a little look around Tenerife. Our next port of call was Funchal on the beautiful island of Madeira. And when we were docked, we took a walk from the ship to the start of the town, which took roughly around 15 to 20 minutes. But if you cannot manage that, you can easily grab the shuttle bus at a cost. Because I booked the select fare, the shuttle bus was totally free for me. Now let's take a little look around Madeira. and then onto a very wet and windy Gran Canaria. Palmas de Gran Canaria is the cruise port we docked at, and Elmwell shopping centre is literally, as you step off the ship, straight there. It's easy peasy. And a further 10 to 15 minute walk through the city's shops and restaurants takes you to Las Canteras Beach. Arrecife in Lanzarote was our last port, and thank goodness the sun appeared as it was a glorious sunny day. It's about a 10 to 12 minute flat walk passing by the marina, to the town, to all the shops, bars and restaurants. finished our cruise back at Tenerife for disembarkation and our coach waiting to take us back to the airport. Our cases were taken the night before we disembarked, and it was so scary because we wouldn't see them again until we were back at Gatwick. Will we get them or won't we? Now, I took this cruise in December, so the weather is variable. It could be sunny one minute and raining another minute, but it's always warmer than the UK in December. Now, I hope this video was useful to you, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in that comments box below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any up and coming videos. And please don't forget to give me that like. And subscribe to my channel if you don't already. And if you do already subscribe, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So, I'll see you again very soon in my next video. Thank you for watching again. Take care, my lovelies. Bye.